As a Vyuh developer, you're pretty used to making changes on the CMS Studio and seeing the edits on the simulator. And you do that by hitting the refresh button on the bottom left. This is a very typical workflow that you have been using so far, where you can batch up a bunch of updates and then hit the refresh button to see the changes on your simulator or on your device. But what if you want to kind of continuously be in the flow of just editing and not having to worry about hitting the refresh button time and again? Well, that's where the live content editing comes into picture. Starting with this new version of Vyuh framework, you now have the ability to turn on this live editing content mode where you can just continue making changes on the studio and see them updating live on the simulator. And enabling it is pretty straightforward. With the useLiveRoute set to true on the default content plugin, you can now enable a live changes happening on your simulator or device whenever the CMS Studio changes. With this, you no longer have to hit the refresh button anymore. Just continue making changes on the CMS and you'll see the simulator updating live as it happens. This, we believe, is a great addition and a boost to the developer efficiency. You can focus more on making changes in your CMS and not have to worry about hitting the refresh button time and again. So go about, be in the flow, and continue making the changes and assume that everything else in the simulator is going to update live as it happens. The rest of the video is going to simply show you how I make these changes quickly, and you can see the simulator also updating in real time.